All right, so special thanks to this company for sending me this product for this unboxing. This is a replacement garden hose connector, essentially. And we're gonna take it out of this little bag and show you exactly what comes in here. So in this little package is a bunch of stuff I don't know the names for. Looks like we got some tape, that's always good. Okay, 2x1/2. And that piece there, okay. Don't know what I'm looking at all here. And then this is, of course, the main piece. So, you know, this kind of would screw on and, you know, you'd have that ability to turn it. So, not fully certain what all it looks like. This may come off. Oh, it does, wow. And then you could put this one on. Like that. And I guess in some kind of way this screws onto here. Yeah, you know, and then that screws onto something. Again, I really have no clue exactly how to put this thing together because when it comes to this kind of stuff, I don't know a lot. But they wanted me to create an unboxing video for you guys. So that's what this is. So you have a little idea of, you know, all the little parts that come with this. So you kind of know what you're getting your hands on if you were to order one of these. So thanks for watching. That'll do it for this video. See you in the next one. Deuces.